Good morning, grade 2 generous. Okay, morning 2. Stand up. Everybody stand up. Okay, let us pray. And then Father, the Son, the Holy Spirit. Amen. Okay, before you sit down, I want you to pick up the pieces of paper under your desk. Everyone, arrange your chairs then. Okay, you may sit down. And before we start, I want you guys to remember, I don't want you to answer in chorus, so if you want to answer the questions, I want you to raise your hand, okay? Understand? Okay, very good. Okay, now guys, how do you prepare when you are going to school? What are you doing? Nico? Yes? You take a bath. Yes, very good, Nico. You take a bath. Alani? Okay, you change your clothes then. Very good. Sheila? Okay, you eat your breakfast. Very good. Okay, class, just like what you said, in preparing for school, you need to take a bath. Take a bath. Okay, you take a bath. And you change your clothes. And you eat your breakfast. Now, how many minutes that it needs you to complete taking a bath? Anyone? Richard? Yes, 10 minutes. You take a bath in 10 minutes. Okay? Grace. Okay, Grace. How many minutes when you are changing clothes? 10 minutes. You change your clothes in 10 minutes. Okay. How about eating? How many minutes does it take when you are eating? Ricky? Yes? 15 minutes. Okay. You digest your food until then. Okay, very good. Okay. You know what, guys? How do you, why do you think wise use of time is important? Of course, you use you use time wisely for you to manage your schedules on what you are doing. For example, you go to school, then you don't know how many minutes to take a bath, then you wake up too late. The school is 7 a.m. but you woke up on 6:50 and you think you can still take a bath, change your clothes, and eat your breakfast in that time? No, you can't. So that's why you need to have a use wise of time. Okay, now from what we've been discussing already, what do you think our lesson for today? Anyone? Larnie? Yes, our lesson for today is about time. It's about time. Time. And now, I have here a clock. Here. This is the clock. And for us to know time, we need a clock, of course. And did you know that a clock has 3 hands on it? Do you know what's the purpose of these 3 hands? Anyone? Sheila? Yes. Yes, for us to read the time. And these 3 hands have different uses. The longer one, the longest is for the seconds. It is used for the seconds. And the second one is for the minutes. And the smaller one is for the hour. And for it to complete one rotation, if you need 1 hour is equals to 1 rotation of the minute. Yes, this is. One rotation is equals to 60 minutes. So, equivalent is 1 hour. While one rotation of the second is also 60 seconds. When you complete the rotation, it's equivalent to 60 seconds and it's equivalent to 1 minute. Okay. Now, what I will be teaching you in the first part of our lesson in time is time conversion. Time conversion. I want you to convert seconds to minutes, and minutes to hours. This one. Now, just what, like I told you before, seconds to minutes and to hours and vice versa. Now, this is what it looks like. 60 seconds is equals to 1 minute. How many seconds 1 minute has? Class? Rika? Yes, it's 60 seconds. Very good. Okay, now 60 minutes is equals to 1 hour. How many minutes does 1 hour have? Ricky? Yes, it's 60 minutes in 1 hour. Now, that was what we are going to do today. And for that, I need you to I will group you into 4. The first row will be group 1. The second row will be group 2. The third row will be group 3. And the fourth row will be group 4. Okay, understand? Now, I want you, the group 1, I want you to convert seconds to minutes. Group 2, I want you to convert minutes to hours. And group 3, I want you to convert hours to minutes. And group 4, I want you to convert minutes to seconds. Okay. Okay, this will be the answer sheets for group 1, group 2, and for the group 3, and the group 4. Okay, you finished your works already, guys? Okay, let's answer your work. Okay. For the group 1, the first question is 60 seconds is equals to blank minute. You answered 1 minute. Is group 1 correct, class? Yes, 60 seconds is equals to 1 minute. And for the second question, 120 seconds is equals to blank minutes. How many minutes, class? It's 2 minutes. So group 1 is still correct. And for the third question is 180 seconds is equals to blank minutes. You answered 3. Is group 1 correct again, class? Yes. 180 seconds is equals to 3 minutes. Group 1 is correct. Now, let's proceed to the group 2. The first question on group 2 is 3 minutes is equals to how many seconds? They answered 180 seconds. Is group 2 correct, class? Yes, 3 minutes is equals to 180 seconds. Second question, 2 minutes is equals to how many seconds? The group 2 answered 120 seconds. Yes, they are correct. 2 minutes is equals to 120 seconds. The third question is 1 minute is equals to how many seconds? They answered 60 seconds. And yes, 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds. They are correct. Okay, let's proceed to group 3. First question, 60 minutes is equals to how many hour? The group 3 answered 1 hour. Is group 3 correct? Yes, 60 minutes is equals to 1 hour. The next question is 180 minutes is equals to how many hour? You answered 3 and you are correct. Yes, 180 minutes is equals to 3 hours. And for the third question, 120 minutes is equals to how many hours? Yes, 2 hours. Very good, group 3. You answer all correct. Okay, and for the last group, the group 4. First question is 2 hours is equivalent to how many class? Yes, 120 minutes. 2 hours is equals to 120 minutes. So group 4 is correct. Very good. Okay, the next question is 3 hours is equivalent to 180 minutes. Yes, group 4 is correct again. 3 hours is equals to 180 minutes. And the last is 1 hour is equivalent to how many minutes? Yes, 60 minutes. 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. All answers of group 4 are correct. Very good. You finish answering your works. And now, before we proceed to our short quiz, I want to ask you, how do we convert seconds to minutes? Anybody? Rika again? Yes. In one rotation, okay, in one rotation, from 12, it's 0 to 12 is one rotation. It's equivalent to 60 seconds, and that's 1 minute. And how do we convert hours to minutes? Or minutes to hours? Yes, it's also of course, it's the same. In one rotation of the hand, of the minute hand, is equivalent to 60 minutes, and that's 1 hour. And now guys, how do we why do wise use of time is important? Anybody? Grace? Yes. We need to use time wisely for us to manage our schedules on what we are doing. Just like what I told you earlier, that when you go to school, if you don't know how to manage your time, don't know how many minutes left when you wake up, for example, the school will start 7 a.m. and you've already you just woke up on 6:50 and you don't know how many minutes will you need to take a bath, you change your clothes, and you eat your breakfast. You will not be able to come to school right on time. So that's why we need to use time wisely. And before we proceed to our short quiz, any clarification questions? Okay, and this will be the next will be your evaluation, the quiz, and please take note for your assignment. Okay, I want you to convert the following. And please take note for the assignment.